So here we have MR, and we want to find the angle of inclination formed with the x-axis. So we're not trying to find theta, we need to find the angle formed between MR and the x-axis. So we call that angle RQX. And what we know is that the tangent of the angle RQX is equal to the gradient of the line MR. So let us find the gradient of the line MR. And again, we will use the gradient formula. So we'll have the difference of y's, which is 4 minus 0, over the difference of x's, which is 10 minus 3. And that simplifies to 4 over 7. So the gradient of the line MR is 4 over 7. Therefore, the tangent of RQX is equal to 4 over 7. Now, in order to find the angle size, I would use my calculator, and I'll press Shift Tan and then enter in the fraction of 4 over 7. And that will give me an answer of 29.74 degrees. So the angle of RQX is 29.74 degrees.